and welcome to T-Sport Bernau. We are in Dortmund at Exhibition Hall. We are here with TRUCKFIT. WM is basically a massive sort of parts retailer in the whole of Germany. They have over 230 stores, but we are here with TRUCKFIT and Master Oil. We're actually on the TRUCKFIT stand with the race truck, and TRUCKFIT is like a garage concept. So if you're traveling through Germany and you have a problem with your truck or trailer, you can go on the TRUCKFIT website, find a local garage which is reputable, and then you can guarantee that the parts actually comes from WM, and they do loads of, or they supply loads of parts from different manufacturers. So Varta are here, Nissan's coolers are here, and they are all suppliers to WM. So when you end up at a WM garage, then you can guarantee top quality parts directly. So we'll go inside now and we will show you where the race truck is. Jochen Hahn is also here, done a really professional job. He stood there all day, hasn't moved a single thing. I've said hello to him 3 times, he never even said hello to me, but it's good to see Nissan's here. We will go to Varta. Master Oil is also here, TRUCKFIT obviously. WM have their own brand called Monochrome, and this is like everything that you need in a workshop, from tire machines to lifts. It's truck machinery and also car machinery, so obviously the big compressors, but on the other side they've got car lifts and even like van lifts. But this baby is my dream. Hopefully one day we can get one for the workshop. The issue is that we only change like 30 tires per year in the workshop, so it's a big investment just for make my life a little bit easier. But also with the car lift, we would only really use that to lift the truck up for washing, because all the race trucks are designed so we work from the top and lift everything out from the top. They're designed like this because at the race circuit we don't have a pit, so that's why we don't need pit jacks or anything. So all the cross member goes under the race truck. So we actually used one of these. If you watched on our Facebook, we had one of these by Sven Balter, and we lifted the whole race truck up only to wash the bottom. This would be the biggest lifesaver. But yeah, like I say, Monochrome, they do some really good workshop equipment. Also, you see all the tire testing, everything's running and working here, which is really cool. They also have something called Fuchs and Sanders, which is another company from VM or from WM, and this is all Bolton technology. Then obviously Master Oil, which you can see over the back. So Master Oil is our oil supplier. We have really good experience with Master Oil. They do a really good energy drink as well, but only for the shows. But yeah, so big thank you to Master Oil. But this show is really massive. It's over 2 halls, and it's only suppliers or companies from WM, so it's really cool to see everyone's here. A lot of this show is about the car side of stuff, so you can see all the car machines. This is because the car sector for WM covers about 70% of the business, and only 20% is the truck side, but it's still a massive supplier for the truck industry. I think they're one of the top 3 for the whole truck industry for aftermarket parts and workshop equipment, so really cool to be here. Lars is also here because he's a customer of WM and a TRUCKFIT garage. So Diana, yes. I will interview you. All customers are coming here, or from the area?
Yeah, region Osnabrück, the region Düsseldorf, the region Essen, and the region Bremen.
Okay, and you must pay to come?
No, all customers are invited and everything is free.
Yeah. Everything? Even the drinks?
The drinks, the meals, the snacks, ice cream, and so on. You taste a lot, so you know that.
Well, Theo had about 3 ice creams yesterday, so it's full now.
Today we had 6,500 customers here. And it's not finished anymore.
Okay, that's cool. And tonight is a party?
Now tonight we have a show for all the concept partners, so also the TRUCKFIT partners. And we invite all of the TRUCKFIT, AutoFit, AutoTeam Pro, and so on partners Flachprofi Plus to come here and to celebrate this day with us. We have some comedians and a band and good food and good wine also, and I think it's really a good night.
So if you're in Germany and you have a garage and you want to be part of it, all you have to do is buy parts from WM or join the TRUCKFIT team, and then you can be an official TRUCKFIT garage. And
I only for 19 euros.
19.99 per month. So yeah, it's a really good thing to be involved in. Also, if you're a truck driver and you travel through Germany, just go on the TRUCKFIT website. If you have a problem, you can go to any garage and they will look after you at a really good rate. And they are normally a reputable garage, so they will not pull your pants down, or hopefully not. So yeah, see you soon. And we go to the show now.
Hier in dieser wunderschönen Stadt Dortmund, und das meine ich wirklich so.
Started the race truck up. We're going to drive out down a really narrow gap now, but big thank you to TRUCKFIT and Master Oil for having us here. We're going to load it on the trailer, and then next stop is Olden, Belgium.